Wow!
We're going to take this opportunity to see if we can go up live in the cockpit and say hello to Greg Koontz as he flies through us today. Hey Greg, it's Blue. How do you copy?
I got you guys loud and clear, man. It is beautiful up here. It's time of day. I don't know why they can't be the best time of day, but I'm loving it. We're going to play around with a super Decatlon. It's made by American Champion. It's a premier basic aerobatic and training airplane. It's just all around fun airplane. And we just tell you all about it. I think you can help me out a little bit on this.
It's the yeehaw guy.
You bet.
It's the guy that always says yeehaw.
Super Decatlon, the normal Decatlon, a little less horsepower, and they're just fun planes to fly. Before you go fly, perhaps a pit special or a super chipmunk or an eagle, like we saw with the next two eagles earlier, you gotta get your start somewhere. This is even a great cross-country airplane, right?
It is. Just quick speed back. Here's two people flying away. Everybody look to your right. Here I go.
A little pillow sounds good to me, and you're going to be experiencing a little cheating that time. Where did you go?
Yeah, man, we're just getting my 3 days with the nice thing like this. I'm going to do a hammerhead.
Oh
Yeah, hammerhead, of course, a good classic aerobatic. If you draw that line, you see wingtips front going as well. This will look great.
no! Wow! I knew it.
You know, it truly is. With an airplane that doesn't have, say, as much horsepower as a super chipmunk, with the super Decatlon, that's interesting because it's just a smooth platform. And just allows you to feel like an airplane. They say the airplane is more like bagpipes with wings. He's going to roll it upside down. Watch as he makes right as he does. Yeah, it's an addictive endeavor as well. Over 22,000 hours of flight time, and a lot of that has to do with instructing, right? Yeah, for a while there, of course, down at your home, you don't really necessarily live on the airport, it's your airport. You got your house, you got your garage with your airplanes in it, which allows you to go out and do some flying. That's right, Sky Country Lodge, an environment for quite some time where a lot of pilots could learn how to go fly tail-wheel airplanes, just like this one. And it's some aerobatic proficiency as well. It's not something they teach really besides practicing skills and everything.
I know.
I love it. How about you call out what you're doing as you pull into the humpy bump?
Okay. Right here. Gotta get myself a quarter roll there. Down, there we go.
Wow!
I love that part of the maneuver. The snap roll on the downside, the surprise of the humpy bump maneuver. And you're going to be setting up, you're going to do a barrel roll next?
Okay, that's not a good plan. Let's do a barrel roll next. I like the barrel roll. It's a combination of a loop and a roll. And here we go.
Wow. Yay! Wow. Yay! Yee!